I have a pretty cool house plant here called a Madagascar jewel. It's a tropical plant, and I bought it from it was a little resale shop down in Parsons, West Virginia, that was selling tropicals and house plants and stuff. And I bought it a year ago this past July. And when I bought it, it was the size of that plant there. So in a little over a year, that's how much it's grown. What's neat about this plant is you put it in a larger pot. Well, when it gets a little larger, you transplant it into a larger pot. Make sure you keep moist, soft soil around it. It's kind of hard to tell in this video with the light, but it gets little seed pods on it, and the seed pods drop off into the dirt surrounding it, and they sprout. As you can see, I got 3 little sprouts that's come up so far. Hopefully some more come up, but it almost looks like the beginnings of a flower, but they can't really tell. It's not that stuff that looks like fuzz. Kind of sticks up almost like a little flower pod, but it doesn't bloom, and the seeds evidently drop off there. But the name of the plant is a Madagascar jewel. It's a pretty cool plant. Now the thing is, when you grow these, you don't want to put them out into direct hot sunlight. You want to give them sunlight either in the house or when the weather's warm or outside, but you don't want the direct bright sun shining down on it. As you can see, one of the leaves earlier this summer, there were several that got burned from the sun, and I brought it back in the house. Kind of keep it in warm, keep it moist, but don't get it real hot, and it grows pretty quick. Like I said, I got it a year ago this past July, and it was exactly about that size. I let it grow a little taller, and then I transplanted it into this larger pot. It's a really pretty cool house plant. I've never really seen them too often, sold in stores, but kind of interesting. Another plant I'm raising there. Tina has a Christmas cactus there, and then we have a lemon tree. But the main focus of this video is this Madagascar jewel. Really neat house plant. If you ever see one somewhere, buy it and put a few of them in a sunny window.